Welcome to another KS Racing video. Here we've got this nice VF GTS. Customers come in for a rear-only air suspension kit. Has opted for our KS Lite kit, which has the one system memory preset. So as soon as you start the car will calibrate to that preset you've set. So with this KS Lite kit, you've got two remote controls, one being the Bluetooth basic one, and then you've got the wired in-cabin one. And then if we want to adjust it, you've got your left side, right side. So if you want to just drop just the left side, there you go. Just drop the right side, drop that. If you want to air it out, drop that one there. System airs out for you. So now we have the car all aired out. We want to get to the memory mode. We'll just press the top button, the memory preset. Press of that. And the vehicle will calibrate to its everyday drive height that we've set the preset to. Now we go back in, we want to air it out. We'll press that bottom button. And we have it aired out. So with this GTS, this customer has opted for a super low ride height. So there we have it all set up, set of 22 Simmons, have the rim and tire all tucking inside as a everyday drive height. Going back to the Bluetooth remote control, like we said before, you've just got your manual up and down for the left and right corner. So we'll just drop that, drop one corner, and then we've dropped the other corner. There you go. That's this VF GTS running our KS Lite air suspension kit. If you want a kit like this as well for your ride, get in touch with us today and we'll get your kit on the way to you.